What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Epic Games Launcher on your PC fast and easy, and how to make account on Epic Games. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open this site. I also leave you this site in the description of video. When you open this site you will see download Epic Games Launcher. Click on this and save installation. When you downloaded Epic Games Launcher, open it and go here run and install Epic Games on your PC. When you install Epic Games Launcher like me, just open Epic Games and you will see sign in or sign up. The fastest way to create an account on Epic Games is with Google or Facebook. Just click this Google icon and you will be redirected to browser. Choose your Google account like me and you will see almost done. Click here continue and you will see message success. Verify your email address. Go back to your Epic Games Launcher on PC and you have successful create Epic Games account. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Epic Games Launcher and how to create account on Epic Games. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.